welcome back to this YouTube video. So in this video we are going to be looking at text box in tkinter library. So what we are going to be building a text editor project which will have the ability to do a basic things text editor could do. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification icon to get all our latest video updates. So if you are ready, you should create your file. So you're gonna come here and we're gonna say, so I'm gonna create a file. And I'm gonna open that in my text editor. So of course we want to use the tkinter library, so we need to import it. So I'm gonna say import tkinter as tk, and what we want to be doing next is creating our window with the tk class and running that with the main loop function. So if you don't have the main loop function, the window will not run. So as I said, we're going to be looking at text box. So let's say text box equal tk.text. So the first parameter is going to be the window, and you can say text box dot pack. So let's run that and see what it looks like. So you can see that we have this text editor that you can edit text inside it. You can actually add multiple texts. So let's say when we expand this, it doesn't look good. We have this border right here which you don't want, and I don't like the font size, both the font and the font size, and I don't like how it is kind of static or staying in this position. Of course text editors don't kind of stay in one place. When you expand them, they also respond. So right here, let's first fix the border issue, which we're gonna say 0, and now let's fix the expand equal true and fill. So it should fill both the coordinates. So and now let's create a font. So we need to actually import something. So from tkinter dot font import, we need to import font. So let's say my font equal font, and what we want to be passing is, let's say weight. Let's don't pass that. Let's say size equal, let's say something like 15, and family, that's the kind of font family. So we're gonna set that to monospace, and right here we're gonna say font equal my font. So the font that we created now, want to set the font for the text box to my font. So you can see now, if I kind of write things, you can see we have this text in monospace. So well, let's kind of change our title to text editor instead of tk. So let's say window dot title. We're gonna set that to text editor. So let's run that, and you see I have text editor. And you see if I highlight, I have this kind of gray color which I don't like. If you ask me, it is not beautiful, it is not looking good. So I'm gonna come here and say select background, which is the color for the highlight. So select background, and I'm going to put this color right there. And now if I run that, I have this kind of cool color for the highlight. So it's kind of cool. So this is going to take a few series creating the text editor. So what we are going to be doing next is we are going to be creating our menu, which will have our save file and open file. So right here, let's quickly create that menu. So we're gonna say menu equal tk.menu, menu, and in our menu, of course, the first parameter is going to be the window. So this menu, we want to, since it is part of kind of the window, it is, we don't need to pack that or use the pack or grid or place. We're going to just configure that to our window. So we're going to say menu window dot config. So the menu equal the menu. So now that we have our menu, if we run that, we're not going to see anything because we don't have anything in our menu, right? So let's say file toolbar. So I'm gonna create a toolbar for the file. So we're gonna say tk.menu. So this time around, where we want this toolbar to be located is file toolbar to be located. It's not going to be in our window, so it's going to be in the menu that we create. So we're gonna say menu, and now let's say file toolbar dot add command. So label equal save task, save file, and let's say file toolbar, let's create another command dot add command. So label equal open file. So now let's kind of let's say menu dot add cascade, then label equal file, and menu equal file toolbar. So let's run that and see if it works exactly as we want. You see that we have this file toolbar right here, and you can see that you have this file toolbar having save file and open file. So I think we need to add another argument here, so we're going to say tear off equal 0. So that little line that was created earlier is going to disappear. So yeah, you can see that they will have the save file and open file working properly. So in the next video we're going to be adding functionalities to it, but let's kind of add some free colors. So let's say BG, which stands for background, and we can put that to the color from earlier. So and sorry, it didn't work. I'm not supposed to oh sorry, I think it worked, but I'm the one that didn't show it to you guys. So we have this save file that is in this blue color, but that's not the one we want to be in blue color. So this one should be white instead. BG equal white, and in the menu, if the menu wants it to be BG equal the color from earlier. So run that code again, and you see we have this text editor functioning properly. So in the next video we're going to be adding functionalities to it, so that we're going to be able to save file and open file. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this for free, and especially to kind of don't have like disconnected knowledge, so to have the complete knowledge of how to do something properly. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye. And before that, cheers.